we have the science journalist, we have the scientist, and we have the press relation or the press officers and the other actors. So in this picture or the schematic overview, you can see that there's the information from the scientist, the science journalist will going to write it, and then the press officers were going to broadcast it and bring it to the society or the beneficiaries of this information, so that the goal that it can contribute to the nation building would be achieved, and people will benefit from this information. Okay. Now, there is another kind of definition which I researched this about the definition of science communication, science and technology communication. According to Burns and other authors, science communication may be defined as the use of appropriate skills, media, activities, and dialogue to produce one or more of the following personal responses to science. The vowel of analogy. So it's about awareness, including familiarity with new aspects of science, or E, enjoyment or other affective responses. For example, appreciating as entertainment or art, and I, interest as evidence by voluntary involvement with science or its communication, and O, opinions, the forming, reforming, or confirming of science-related attitudes, and U, understanding of science, its content, processes, and social factors. So don't forget this. So the science communication is to respond to the analogy of the need of the information communication, awareness, enjoyment, interest, opinions, and understanding of science. Now, who are the sectors or institutions in the Philippines using the science communication? Of course, we have the Department of Agriculture. They have researchers who are doing or having this information so that the farmers and people in the agriculture sector could benefit from that information, so that their production would increase, or the other technology would be used in order that the agriculture other sector would improve, will develop. Of course, the Department of Science and Technology, they are this institution is the source of information about science and technology. They are the one where we can get information. They are releasing information about science and technology. And the third one, we have the Department of Agriculture, the Philippine Rice Research Institute. This institution are composed of researchers researching matters about the rice and how they can improve and how they can develop, and they can help the farmers especially in improving their production of the rice. And of course, we have the disaster risk management in most of the local government units in the Philippines. We have the municipal disaster risk management office. Of course, they need science, especially in informing the public about the coming typhoons, if there is a volcanic eruption or different kinds of disasters. So they need the information of science communication. Okay, so there you have it. I've explained to you the program communication and the science communication. I hope you learned something. These are the references which I've got. And also, here are the two discussion issues that you classmates can answer. Number one, have you ever created a program communication plan? If yes, share the advantages it gave you in your program or project activity. Or if not, given a chance to make a program communication plan, what kind of project for nation's development are you going to use it? And number two, how science communication or science and technology communication can help in the development of developing countries. So thank you and God bless you. This is again Marisol Pomares.